Hi guys, welcome to the Tattooed Sewer. So today I'm going to get straight on with it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a new garment out of an old garment. It's literally going to take a couple of minutes. On my jacket I cut up a red dress to make the pockets, and this is what remains of the red dress. So I've just got this top bit here, and then I used another dress to make the sides and front and back to the bomber jacket, which was this floral material here. So all I'm going to do is attach this piece of fabric to the waistband of this very quickly, and then I will have a jacket. So I'm just going to quickly show you how I'm going to do that. Right then, as you can see, I've got my jacket here, or my potential jacket. So that's just the top of a dress. It had button up front, so I've just unpicked this little bit here so that it detaches the fastening. I left a little bit on the bottom so that I got something to attach my waistband to. This is going to be my waistband. I have interfaced this. I've done another video about how to interface, so you can watch that one if you need tips on that. I will simply be folding this in half and attaching that to my potential jacket top, and that will make a very quick, very simple garment that can be worn again. So I've sewn on my waistband the first row of stitching. I've ironed it, I've bagged out my corners, which I'll show you on another video how to do. So now I've pinned it in place, so I just need to do my top stitching. Okay guys, so I've stitched that on. I'm just going to give it a quick press, try it on and see what it looks like. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for spending that last couple of minutes with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go and visit strawberryvintage.com. Have a great day. Love to you all. Bye.